Dog Nation, it is time for yet another episode of the Diecast Cup. 4 more fierce drivers are ready to battle it out, and whichever 2 come out on top in points advance into round number 2. These are all of the cars that have advanced so far. With that being said, let's get to racing. For today's episode, our 4 drivers are the Lotus Elise, McLaren Speedtail, Ford Escort RS 1600, and shout out to 3D Botmaker, as this is Big Air Dylan in that Lancer Evolution. Let's drop those gates. Wow, that
winner, lane 3.
Lotus is very fast. Wow. He will go 2 in a row. Man, are they fast. Can anyone stop that Lotus? No, they cannot.
Lane 4.
Can they have a clean sweep? Gonna have a clean sweep, folks. I am calling it right now. This will be the Diecast Cup champ right here. Alright guys, for the first time this season, we have to have a tiebreaker between these 3 cars, as they all tied with 8 points a piece. Here's how it's going to work. Instead of racing them in 4 more races, we are going to do the first car to win 2 will move on into the next round. First car to win 2, here we go. Big Air Dylan and that Evo goes up 1. They have all moved over 1 lane. I want to say that the Evo took it. Let's go to that instant replay. there you have it, T-Dog Nation. That Evo won their 2 races in that tiebreaker and are now into the next round. If you enjoyed, if you could please do me a big favor, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and ring that bell to never miss a time that I post. I will see you guys next time as we continue to race beyond limits, one track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.